Hi, everybody. I'm Chris Preimesberger, editor of eWEEK, and welcome to another eSpeaks segment. Thank you for joining us today. Our special guest is Amit Modi. Amit is the Chief Product and Technology Officer at Movius, like movies. Welcome, Amit.
Thank you, Chris. Very nice to be here.
Amit, tell us a little bit about what Movius does.
Absolutely, Chris. So Movius is in secure mobile-first business communications, and our goal is to enable our customers to engage with their clients effectively, securely, and productively across channels, across devices, and across modalities. In today's day and age, it's absolutely essential that businesses effectively engage with the customers, and customers are able to dictate and determine how they want to be contacted, voice, text, or even other messaging forms. And that's really our goal, to enable our businesses to be able to do it all using software and all with a mobile first and secure approach.
Okay. So it sounds like Movius is one of those dots that connect a lot of different portions of a communication system for an enterprise, so that users, partners, customers, whoever is using it, can approach and interact with the company on the platform that they choose. Is that a fair statement?
Yeah, absolutely. Because when you described it well, Chris, in an enterprise ecosystem, if you see, there are so many disparate and fragmented touch points. You have desk phones, you have mobile phones, you have CRM interfaces, you may have other trading turrets, etc. And how do you ensure that all these silos of communication get integrated seamlessly so that businesses can have complete control, visibility, analytics, insights through one common communications layer, and that way they can engage with the customers and derive the maximum possible value without impacting the customer journey. So that's really what we are trying to simplify, consolidate, and give it to our customers, and customers have loved it so far.
Right. So it's all about the consumer experience, the user experience, that kind of thing, and making it as optimal as possible. Can you explain to me how the system is actually used? How would a user do it now? It's a cloud-based platform, is it not? And there's an app that goes on your phone. Is that right?
Absolutely, you got it, Chris. So very simple experience from an end user standpoint, which is the employee of the business. It's a less than 30 seconds experience to download the application on their preferred device. It could be a personal BYO device or a corporate liable device, and then be able to get the secure business phone number, which now becomes the asset of the company, very much like the email address, and it's distinct from your personal phone number on the device. So you've got that separation. So that's the employee side experience. And then from an administrative standpoint, the administrator of the Movius service has access to this cloud platform, and they manage the entire service from there with a single pane of glass, and they can assign users, assign them numbers, invite them, provision them, and deprovision them. So very seamlessly integrated with the workflows.
Okay, can you give us an example of a use case here so that our listeners can understand exactly how it works?
Absolutely. So one of our most common use cases in financial services, which are, by the way, highly regulated, very demanding, and a common persona there could be a wealth manager, an investment banker, a lending advisor. These guys have very strict governance and control over how they engage with their clients. So essentially, irrespective of the type of mobile device these users have, they will onboard with a Movius service. They will be given a Movius business number. That becomes their one phone number that they use for all their client facing engagement, which could be voice, which could be text. And when their customers call them back, they call them on that number. When they text them back, they text them on that number. It's as simple as that, but very powerful.
So airtight security, that's the whole idea of having a separate phone number on your phone dedicated just to the Movius connection, correct?
Absolutely. And Chris, if I may just add one more thing, one of the unique things that we have, which we have patented and we have a lot of IP, is unlike a lot of other voice over IP applications, we are unique because for voice, we are able to use all three access types on the device, which could be cellular data, Wi-Fi, or even the underlying GSM network. And Movius is the only provider that is able to do that. And we have patents around that.
Okay, so you can do email, text, or messaging. Can you do video on this?
No, not yet. And we
Right.
don't do email. We focus on voice
Oh, you
and
don't?
text, but we deliver the highest quality of compliant voice and text, right? And video is on our product evolution. But right now, there's so much need just for voice and text to be fulfilled. That's where we have been initially focused.
So well, that makes a lot of sense for sure. How long has Movius been in business?
Yeah, we have been around for about 10 years. And in earnest, it's been last 5 years when we really focused on this multi-line service that I've described here. And we are very humbled and proud to have some marquee tier one enterprise customers and also some leading tier one telecommunication carriers as our partners around the world.
Absolutely, and global too. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Very good. All right, Amit, thank you very much for being with us and giving us the high level on Movius. I think it's a company that's it sounds like it's really going to be in huge demand as we go forward, and also as more and more people seem to be wanting to work online and interact with enterprises. It seems like the cog that you guys bring to the whole system is going to be even more important as time goes on. So congratulations.
Thank you so much, Chris. And it's great speaking with you, and you absolutely summed it well. We are very excited about the opportunity ahead of us and looking forward to serve our customers.
All right, Amit, thank you very much for being on eSpeaks.
Thank you, Chris.
And everybody watching us, have a great rest of your eWEEK. Thanks for joining us on eWEEK eSpeaks. Go to eWEEK.com to hear more conversations with IT thought leaders.